What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Philly D here. Check it out. I just came back from Arizona for Memorial Weekend, and I picked up some new items by TNT for 2025. I got the Super Value Pack. Comes with Crimson Cascade, Luminous Liberty, and Brilliant Blue. I paid $12.99 for it. Check out this little guy, Rootin' Tootin'. It was $5. And also new for 2025, we got Jam Box, $12.99. We're gonna demo one out for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think of the new product for 2025. We got TNT Jam Box. Here we go, YouTube. The new for 2025 TNT Jam Box. Keep an eye on those speakers right there. They're supposed to light up towards the end. I paid $12.99 for this at Smith's grocery store in Lake Havasu City. If you enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe. New for 2025 Jam Box. Look at those speakers. Sheesh. Still going. What'd you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. New for 2025 TNT Jam Box.